Meadow Hares is a new kit from our friends at Hunkydory, and I have to tell you, this is a Paper Wishes exclusive. It's actually 4 kits in one. Every kit is going to have a die-cut sheet, just like this, foiled as you would expect. It's also going to have a foiled adorable scoreable and a printed adorable scoreable with all the artwork to match. As you can see, yes, this is all about bunnies. It's called Meadow Hares, and let me show you more. Isn't that just charming? And then here is the foiled, like so, very pretty. And here is the printed that matches. And here is another in the blues, kind of in a field of flowers. And there is the foiled, and there is the printed, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. Here is another. Again, they're all die cut. I love the layered ones because you actually get 3 pieces there. And here it is foiled, and here is the printed. Now, in addition, there is another set that's available, and this is a Matte-tastic set. This is the Meadow Hare. This coordinates with it. Now, the topper set is what is exclusive. Well, I guess maybe this is too. There are 12 different shades. You get 1 of each. They are a heavyweight cardstock, and you can see these are all A4 size, so they're kind of 8.5 by 11. So all of those colors are going to work perfectly with the card topper set. And there's more. This is the 6 by 6. This is called bite-size paper pad. We'll get in closer, as you can see Steve is doing. As I said, these are 6 by 6. There are a total of 8 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. Yes, does that look kind of like the toppers? And so let me just flip through here so you can see. They are double-sided, so that's really nice. Nothing goes to waste, and I do appreciate that. And you can see the back side of that. It's going to be an all-over pattern. Isn't that just sweet? Here we go. Again, 4 of them. There's the next, and more. It's really nice to have that space. You can put a greeting. That's going to make a really nice card. Or again, an accent for a scrapbook page. And here we go. And the back side. There's a little bunny. And then we've got some flowers. And I guess that's the last one. Okay. So this is a matching one. And then we have something else. This absolutely charming bunny stamp. Just for you, many happy returns. And as you can see, all of these coordinate as you would expect. The Matte-tastic with the 6 by 6 with all of the toppers, and they're all just wonderful from Hunkydory.